Welcome to our channel. Today we how to understand liability insurance for businesses, complete guide step by step clearly. Liability insurance is essential for businesses of all sizes. Understanding it can help protect your assets and ensure peace of mind. Start by defining liability insurance. Liability insurance covers legal costs and payouts for claims against your business. Next, determine the types of liability insurance available. General liability insurance is the most common. It covers third-party claims of bodily injury and property damage. Professional liability insurance, also known as errors and omissions insurance, protects against claims of negligence. Product liability insurance covers damages related to product defects. Consider employment practices liability insurance for claims related to workplace issues. Now, assess your business's unique needs. Evaluate the risks specific to your industry and operation. This can help you decide which types of coverage are necessary. Next, review your existing insurance policies. Identify any gaps in your coverage. Consult with a knowledgeable insurance agent for expert advice. They can help clarify terms and recommend suitable policies. It's crucial to compare multiple insurance quotes. This ensures you get the best coverage at a competitive price. Understand the limits of each policy. This will determine how much your insurance will pay in case of a claim. Learn about deductibles, which are the amounts you pay before insurance kicks in. Be aware of any exclusions in the policy, as these can affect coverage. Finally, make sure to review your insurance policy regularly. As your business grows or changes, so will your insurance needs. Keep lines of communication open with your insurance provider. This will help you stay informed about any updates or changes in policies. By following these steps, you can effectively understand liability insurance for your business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.